Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have my second Stitch Fix for the month of August. Now, if you saw my last video, you know that that box just sort of missed the mark a little bit. So I left my feedback for Stitch Fix and they were like, you know what, we got you, girl. We're gonna send you another box and we're gonna waive that styling fee. So that's what they did. They sent me another box and I'm so excited. I also requested my stylist from, I think 2 boxes ago. Her name was Aubrey. That box was awesome. I liked everything in it. So I am excited to see if I have Aubrey again. So for this box, I requested items that I could wear to work, I could wear out. Tops, I asked for tops with interesting details. Something different, something that I haven't seen before. That's sort of what I was asking for. I think I asked for something camo. I don't have anything camo currently, so I thought that that would be a neat little trend. So yeah, so here's my style card. It says, "Hi Cheryl, happy fix day. Glad to be styling you again. Thanks for the feedback and requests. Those are always appreciated. There are many fun tops to choose from this time, so let me know if you're looking for a certain color or style next time too. I chose this off-the-shoulder top from Skies Are Blue because it's very boho and the color can transition well into fall. I picked the red and white striped top because it has tons of interesting detail. I sent the camo cardigan for you." Ooh, a camo cardigan. For you to try, and some leggings to pair with them. XO Aubrey. So we've got Aubrey. Yay! I'm so happy. Okay, so let's get into the box. Looks like the first item is a little off-the-shoulder top. This is the little top by Skies Are Blue. Oh, that is so pretty. And she's so right. Those colors will be so pretty for fall. I like that. All right. So the next item, it looks like, ooh, it's a little top. And it has a very interesting detail around the shoulders. It looks like it's kind of sits off the shoulder on one side and then has like the little strap. That's very cute. I'm excited to try that too. I love Aubrey. I hope that I can keep her. Okay, this little top is by Market and Spruce. It has the little tassels. I don't know about the tassels, but we will definitely try it on and we will see what we think. Okay, so the next item, oh my goodness, this is the camo cardigan. This is by the brand Sanctuary. I am kind of liking that. I'm kind of digging it. We will try that on. We will see what we think about that. It's very soft, very cool, great for fall. And the last item is a pair of leggings by MPG. They're just little black cropped leggings. To be honest, I am a bit of a brand snob when it comes to leggings and athletic wear, but we will definitely give them a try. These may be the best thing ever. We will see. So stay tuned and I'll be right back with a try on. Okay, I am back with the little camo cardigan. This is by Sanctuary. They are calling this the Fitzy camo print cardigan. It is $98 and y'all, this is staying with me. I love this. It is so soft. It is so comfy. I like the way it drapes. It does have front pockets. I'll show it to you from the back. I love the length. It is so cute, so cute. Love this. I paired it with the little leggings. They are the MPG Sport Berkeley Legging in black. They are $54 and they are very, very comfortable. I'll slip the little cardigan off to show them to you better. They are nice. They are like a cropped length. They're super comfortable. I've never had this brand on before. However, I said before, I am a brand snob when it comes to leggings and gym clothes, that sort of thing. I love Lululemon and I'm just It's just hard to beat Lulu, it really is. But they are great, they are very nice, they feel very good quality. They feel like, you know, if you could sweat in them and they would absorb it nicely. So yeah, great little leggings. This little off the shoulder top is by Skies Are Blue. They are calling this one the Emden off the shoulder blouse in burgundy. It is $58. I really like it too. It's very flowy and very boho. The colors are beautiful. They would be beautiful for fall. It's a nice length. I mean, I could totally wear this with the leggings and feel, you know, covered. So I really like it too. Love the little sleeve detail. It has like the little elastic around the sleeve and then the little bell sleeve. So very, very nice. Okay, this little top is by Skies Are Blue. They are calling this the Averill Ruffle detail top in red and white stripe. It is $58. It is very interesting. It does have a lot of detail. It has little buttons down the front, the ruffle, the little strap, little off the shoulder on one side. It has the little sort of bell sleeves. It is 100% cotton. It's not going to have any stretch to it. It's very cute. I like it a lot too. I think it would be very cute with a pair of jeans. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this one. I'm kind of undecided on it. And lastly, this little top is by Market & Spruce. They're calling this the Bentley Tassel Detail Eyelet Top in white. It is $78. And I mean, the eyelet, it is very pretty. It's lined. Back up so you can see it. It sort of boxes me out a little bit. It has no stretch. It is 100% cotton. I don't particularly care for all the tassels. I think they're super cute on a lot of people, don't get me wrong. I just don't know if I like them for me particularly. Show you the back. It is a beautifully made blouse. I just don't think it's particularly my style. I'll be back in just a second with my final thoughts on this Stitch Fix box. So final thoughts on this Stitch Fix box are, I thought it was a really nice box. I thought she did a really good job. I'm so much more impressed with it than I was with the previous box. I'm so thankful to have Aubrey back as my stylist. The little camo cardigan by Sanctuary is staying with me for sure. The little ruffle detail top, I'm kind of on the fence about that. I kind of like it. I think it's cute that all of the details are very interesting, and I like things that are different that you don't, you know, see every day. Let me know what you thought about that one. The Market & Spruce little eyelet, the little white eyelet top, I'm gonna say that's a no for me. And I'm not hating on the tassels, but they were just a few too many tassels. Okay, the little leggings, I'm gonna pass on those because I probably have 5 pairs of black leggings. I don't need any black leggings. Not that they weren't super nice, they were very comfortable. I would totally, you know, if I needed them, I would definitely keep them. And then the Skies Are Blue, the little burgundy off the shoulder blouse, I think that's really pretty too. That's a possibility. I may keep that one too. So yeah, if let's see, the total for this box was $346. If the buy all discount would be $86.50, bringing my total to $259.50 for this entire box. So yeah, let me know what you think. I love Stitch Fix. I love the having it sent to me, the ease of it, the trying it on in my own home. They send you a return mailer, you just send back what you don't want, and it, you know, it's no hassle, no problem. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. I'll leave the description and the names, prices, all that good junk in the description box below in case you saw something that you might want to request. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you do that. It would mean the world to me. But yeah, so until next time, bye.